Great rising, my beautiful people. So I just wanted to come on and discuss a few things with you guys. But before I get started, I want you guys to know that once we are done complaining about all the problems of the world, when are we going to start creating the solutions? I stated before, heaven is any place on earth. It's not a distant dream, but a mind rebirth. It lives in the silence, in the in-between, a mirror of love, a divine scene. All is mine and mine is all. With that being said, I am a creator, and I'm also the generator and operator scorer of my reality. Well, I don't have to wait to get permission from a government or any systems that have been put in place to keep our mind in bondage. With that being said, I already told you guys that I reclaim land through my sovereignty, being that I am indigenous to this land and native to Louisiana. With the help of the divine source, Mother Nature, my spirit team, my higher self, I was able to create a allottal title for the land. So was able to create a living land trust for the area that I am stewardshiping. Was able to create all of this through my divine wisdom and knowledge, and it's signed and sealed by me and the divine source because I am co-creator with the source. I'm not here to prove who I am to anyone. I know who I am. Know my soul's missions. I've already stepped back into my power by being my true, authentic self. I'm going to show you guys all my sovereign documents that I have created over time. As you guys can see, this is my living stewardship land trust. It's signed and sealed. This is my allottal title for the land that I am stewardshiping. And this is my sovereign codex of my divine return. And this includes all my stewardship and sovereign documents. This is my sovereign ID/driver's license. Yes, you guys, I already reclaimed my power, and I will have my main headquarters of my heaven on earth up and running before December 2026. And let me state that this heaven on earth that I am building, it's not for me. It's for the collective. I'm offering an alternate reality for you guys to come experience. So y'all stay tuned.